And now you're famous. Hey! Yeah, you want to be here, don't you? You want to be here. Hey, guy. How's business?
Good. Busy.
Yeah, very busy.
Yeah.
Philly's always busy, right?
Philly's always busy.
Remember me.
Ready.
Yeah, give it somebody. Yeah.
We are the #1 in Angel City.
Yeah, you know, a lot of vloggers won't stop and talk to nobody, but I want to talk to everybody. Because that's, you know, that's what you're about, right?
Yeah.
They say hello and how are you and be nice to people.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see you soon, okay? I'll be back. So famous.
Oh.
You're so famous. You're so famous now. You're so famous. So famous. You're so famous, man.
No,
You're
no.
famous, man. You're famous.
No.
Yeah, because I know you.
Really?
Yeah, because I've seen you 10 times already. And you're
Thank you.
famous. Thank you for being on my vlog. Will you join my channel? Will you join my channel? I'm not no bullshitter.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm a real vlogger.
Okay, BT. I'm not thinking
Yeah.
like this.
And here,
Yeah.
you're famous too, man. Famous. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys really, I'm gonna make you famous. And you'll be the vlog on the vlog. She don't want to be on the vlog.
Can I look in the back? Samar, province of Samar. Ay, me? What is
Yeah. So I'm gonna make you famous. You don't want to be famous. So you guys want to be famous. Shout out to who?
Samar, province of Samar.
Okay, so what about your sisters and brothers and everybody?
Mama, Papa, I love you.
Mama, Papa, they love you. They love you. So thank you so much for being on my vlog.
Bye-bye.
Because I'm gonna go down through here. Where's Walking Street?
There.
So I need to go back, right? No, what if I go down here?
There's nothing there.
I get robbed?
There only the gate.
You thought about it for a minute. You don't want to be on here?
Nah, I don't want to be.
Come on. But you took my car. I'm famous. Everybody knows me. You know that, right?
I don't want to be.
I know, look, I'm guapo and I'm famous.
Oh, you're guapo.
Yeah, see?
I used to go into the hospital.
What?
The hospital yard. Are you the one who does there?
I vlog everywhere in the whole world. Yeah, so guys, I'm so all over the world. Oh, you don't want to be vlogged, Gina? You don't say hello? Okay, guys. Guys, you guys, you know, you gotta join my channel, right? So I can't vlog in any bar, so I don't go in there. All I'm doing is just making my rounds, making my rounds, making my rounds, right? Making my rounds. Hi guys, how are you? How are you? Here you go. Here you go.
Nakakato ka, buddy?
Who are you?
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Dan from LA.
You're from LA? Okay, I lived in LA for a long time.
What part?
You know, Camp Pendleton, but I lived in Lakewood. You know where Lakewood is?
Dude, I know LA like I know the back of my hand.
Yeah, so I had a girlfriend in Lakewood here. This is my vlog program. But I was,
shout out, dog.
shout out, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? You know who I is? If you don't, well, let me tell you who am I. Your Taiwanese boy from LA, Santa Monica. Shout out to my
Santa Monica?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shout out to my homies there and all the
What are you doing here?
looking for a wife.
Vacation?
Oh, looking for a wife, dog.
Really? You should come see some of my sister-in-law. Yeah. Guys, downtown. So look, guys, join my channel. I'm a vlogger. So the security here. Vlogging. You wanna say hello? For real? You wanna be on my vlog? Man, hey, I'm just vlogging.
Okay,
So, where are you from?
Scottsdale, Arizona.
Wow, that's way away from here. But I'm from Georgia, and that's even further.
Yeah, Georgia's the hotbed of the election.
Yeah, I know. So, Herschel Walker gonna win?
That's a toss-up, you know?
Yeah, we're gonna get the old or the new.
Yeah, I know. It seems like there's like trying to transition to a new.
Oh man, it's great. This is great. Yeah, this is great. Because, you know, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go back conservative, or we're gonna go to the left?
Yeah. And also get rid of some of the old fucks, because I'm 75 and I hate to think of me being a politician.
Right, me too.
I don't even remember girls' names from it.
I'm Slim Shady, so you know, you don't even know me.
No, my name's Mike.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm an old moonshiner.
You know, I got tattoos all over too. All words though, only words.
Only words, they really are.
I really disappointed my children, because my children made me promise that I wouldn't get tattoos until I grew up.
Yeah.
When they saw these, they got upset.
Yeah, well, I am that guy. No, really, what are you doing here?
I've lived here for 7 years. I came here because I like adventure, and in the States, my adventure junkie rushes would cost too much. Here I can do crazy shit.
Right, it costs a lot in the States.
Yeah. I mean, I go someplace every month. I go to.
So let me explain myself to you.
Yeah.
I'm a vlogger, but I came to the Philippines and I've upgraded.
Yeah.
That seems hard for a States guy to come to the Philippines and upgrade, right?
Yeah.
Well, I lived off the grid in the North Georgia mountains with no electricity, no power, got that, no water. But I lived way up in the mountains where my cabin was, and I had solar, so I had power. And I had a creek that ran right through my property.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, but I had no bills because I owned it so long that that's what happened to me. So when I come to the Philippines, here I am, and I upgraded, right?
Yeah.
You know,
my life was opposite. I'm a professional gambler.
Yeah?
And I'm in a situation now where I got lucky and I cannot run out of money.
Really?
I get more bang for my buck here. So what I've equated to 11,000 a month here. I mean, 3,000 a month here is the same as 11,000 in the States.
It is.
Yeah. So,
It is.
So the only thing I can say is I'm getting ready to leave now. Hardy. See you, dude.
I'm with you, man. I'm with you. Hello, ladies. I knew you was going to be shy about it. Okay, guys, so I'm still vlogging up the road. We ran into an American gambler, and he did really well, and now he's okay. How you doing, guys? And he did really well here. So I'm going up Fields Avenue. Got Jolly Bee over there. See it, Jolly Bee? And I'm still in the good. So I'm trying to find a place to go to. Off the beat path, you know. I need to get off the beat path. Famous ladies on the strip here. Y'all are so famous, you know that? Got the strip going on. Everything's good. Are you famous people? Are you famous people? Yeah. Hey, how you guys doing? You're so famous. Why would you hide your face? Beautiful people. Why would they hide their face? No, they don't want to be famous. They're famous now. It don't matter. So join my channel.
All right.
And you're famous too.
Yes, I am.
I know. I can see your attitude right when I turn around. You're famous. Okay, you're famous too. Hey guys.